Class is in session. Welcome to Professor HODL, where we master the art and science of building lasting wealth through disciplined investing. As your professor, I'm here with your daily market briefing. The biggest moves from the last 24 hours in Tesla, Bitcoin, Solana, SpaceX, and a few other key names that serious investors watch. We'll keep it really simple. What happened, why it matters, and what it could mean for your own money. No fancy words, just plain talk to help you understand and feel more confident. Tesla stock jumped about 8% today. The company just finished an important step on its new super smart AI5 computer chip that will help with self-driving cars and robots. Elon Musk posted on X celebrating the news, and the post got hundreds of thousands of likes and shares. UBS analysts also upgraded the stock, saying the balance between risk and reward looks better right now. Think of it like this. The long-term ideas around self-driving cars and robots are exciting, but right now people are still a little worried about how many electric cars Tesla is selling. For beginners, this means the stock can move up and down a lot, so only invest money you're okay seeing bounce around. Bitcoin climbed back towards $75,000 and is sitting around $74,500 to $75,000. Tether added another big batch of Bitcoin worth about $70 million to its reserves, and MicroStrategy kept buying more too. A popular X thread from crypto analyst at Crypto Cobain pointed out these big buys and got over 120,000 likes. It shows the big players are still feeling confident. The bigger world news is a bit calmer in the Middle East, which is helping prices go up. For new investors, Bitcoin often acts like a safe place when the world feels uncertain, but prices can drop fast if bad news comes back. Always protect your money first and never put in more than you can afford to lose. Solana went up over 4% and sat around $85 to $86. The whole Solana network just hit a huge milestone, over $1 trillion in total activity for the first 3 months of the year. Some leftover coins from an old company sale are still putting a little pressure on the price, but everyday use on the network is staying strong. Solana founder Anatoly Yakovenko posted on X about the real usage numbers, and it got good attention. If you're new, think of Solana like a fast highway for moving digital money and apps. It has good long-term potential, but it can still have short bumps along the way. SpaceX had another successful Starlink launch, adding more satellites and pushing past the 1,000th one for 2026. The rockets keep landing perfectly, and testing for the next big Starship flight is moving forward. These steady wins quietly help the whole Elon Musk group of companies, including Tesla. Putting it all together, the last 24 hours showed strong buying in Bitcoin, big tech progress at Tesla, and good growth numbers on Solana. Remember the professor's simple framework. Watch the bigger picture of what's happening in the world. Look for chances where the possible gain feels much bigger than the possible loss, and build a mix of investments that can handle ups and downs without making you panic. This daily update is here to give you the key stuff in plain English so you can feel more confident before the next trading day starts. Until next time, students, keep thinking deeper and investing smarter. Class dismissed.